I challenge you to the Ukulele Pros 2-week ukulele practice and technique challenge. So if you struggle with technique, hand problems, chords, single notes, this challenge is going to be perfect for you, because when you're done with this challenge, you're going to develop the strength, the confidence, the techniques, and you're going to have a bunch of great warm-up ideas that every time you pick up ukulele, you can use to get warmed up and ready to play. This is meant for the beginner or the intermediate player. It doesn't matter if you're totally beginning or been playing a while, and it's okay if you have a soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele, high G or low G, you're all good for this. All you gotta do is subscribe to the Ukulele Pros YouTube channel. Click the link below to go sign up for the challenge, because then you're gonna get updates on how to post, that's right, post for this challenge, post your progress, and the more you post, the more chances you have to win the prizes, including a brand new ukulele. So I'm ready if you are. This is the Ukulele Pros 2-week ukulele practice and technique challenge. I cannot wait to get started. Click the link below and I challenge you.